We all agree that investing in real estate helps us to create long term wealth. But remember a few things before investing. Understand demand and supply. Always try to invest in a project which has limited number of supply. उससे क्या होगा, फ्यूचर में जब उस लोकेशन पर डिमांड होगी, आपका प्रोजेक्ट एक अच्छी प्राइस कमांड करेगा. यू विल गेट अ गुड प्रॉपर्टी अप्रिसिएशन. Second is always try to invest in the projects from branded developers. See, when a branded developer creates a project like a gated complex, everything is there inside the complex, from your apartments, from your amenities, your clubhouse. So in future when you want to sell, a new buyer will always like to invest in a residential property which has everything ready. तो आप एक अच्छा प्राइस कमांड कर सकते हो. The third is understand the location. Wherever you stay in a specific location, try to invest in a new location which is very close or easily accessible, maybe a 20 to 30 kilometer radius. Reason being, tomorrow if that project or property has any issue, it's easy for you to just go and sort out the issue. I have seen some clients investing maybe 200-300 kilometers from their current residence, which is not bad, but tomorrow if any issue comes, it will be very difficult for you to go and see exactly what the problem is. लेट्स से इफ़ यू आर वेरी कन्विंस्ड कि आपको दूर इन्वेस्ट करके आपको अच्छा रिटर्न्स आ सकता है, तो और दो बातों का ध्यान रखिए. मान लीजिए वो लोकेशन मुंबई से 200 किलोमीटर के रेडियस में, हाइपोथेटिकली. ऑलवेज हायर अ गुड प्रॉपर्टी एजेंट हु नोज इन एंड आउट अबाउट दैट लोकेशन, who can give you a detailed presentation, a proper explanation as to how he sees the property appreciation. उससे फ़ायदा ये होगा, once you are aware, you will be confident to invest in that project. Second is hire a property lawyer. If you don't know anything about that location and the broker has told you, and given you all the information, but if you hire a property lawyer, what will happen is the property lawyer will do a due diligence of the entire location or the project. He will check the land title, the kind of development, the previous owners. Like, he'll give you an entire understanding about that new location. If you are convinced, only then you can go ahead and invest in that project. Also remember, real estate investment needs a lot of patience. It's not a magic box that today you invest in X amount and tomorrow it doubles. You need to at least give 3 to 5 years for a property to give you a decent returns, maybe 20 to 30% returns. Yes, there are few projects which have given returns in double, but उसकी probability बहुत कम होती है. तो लॉन्ग टर्म वेल्थ के लिए कम से कम आप एक 5 से 6 साल दीजिए, मैक्सिमम रिटर्न्स के लिए 10 साल दीजिए, एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल मेक गुड मनी इन्वेस्टिंग इन रियल एस्टेट.